Hey friends, welcome back to HTML plus CSS in action. This is day 14, and today we're building a two-column layout, one of the most common structures you'll use in real web pages. Think of it like a simple dashboard or blog layout, a sidebar on the left and your main content on the right. Let's start with our HTML. Inside the body, I'll add a section with the class container. Inside that, we'll create two main parts, an aside with the class sidebar, that's where our navigation lives, and a main with the class content for the main section. In the sidebar, I'll add a heading that says Code with Aisha, followed by a nav with a few links, home, tutorials, projects, and contact. Then in the main content area, I'll add a heading that says Day 14, two-column layout, a short paragraph explaining what we're building, and a button that says Let's begin. Let's start by styling the body. I'm removing the default margin, setting the font to Poppins, and using our signature dark blue background color. Then I'll use Display Flex to center everything perfectly both horizontally and vertically on the screen. Now for the container. I'm making it a flex container so the sidebar and content sit side by side. I'll set a max width of 900 pixels, round the corners slightly, and add a soft shadow for that modern look. Next, let's style the sidebar. It'll have a fixed width of 250 pixels and a deep navy background. A little padding on the inside keeps the text from touching the edges. For the sidebar title, I'm using turquoise and centering the text for a clean, branded look. Then we'll style the navigation links. Each link will be white by default, but when you hover, it slides slightly to the right and changes color to turquoise. A simple hover effect like this adds nice interactivity without much code. Now let's move to the main content section. I'll let it take up the rest of the space with Flex 1 and use a white background with dark blue text to keep it readable and modern. The padding gives the content breathing room. The heading inside the content will also use our deep blue to stay consistent with the brand colors. Finally, let's style the button. It has a turquoise background, dark text, rounded corners, and a soft hover lift. On hover, it slightly darkens to teal and moves up by 2 pixels, giving it that clean, clickable feel. And that's it. Our two-column layout is complete. You've now learned how to use Flexbox to position a sidebar and main content side by side, and how to style them with your brand colors. Like, save, and follow for Day 15 of HTML plus CSS in action.